Hey everyone, Mitch here. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft Word Transcription. Now in a recent video we went through a demonstration of dictation, but today we're going to transcribe. So let's get started. The transcribe feature converts speech to a text transcript with each speaker individually separated. After your conversation, interview, or meeting, you can revisit parts of the recording by playing back the time-stamped audio and edit the transcription to make corrections. You can save the full transcript as a Word document or insert snippets of it into existing documents. You can transcribe speech in two ways, by either recording directly in Word or uploading an audio file. So let's check it out. In today's demo, we're going to record directly in Word. So in the top toolbar in the top right, click on the drop-down button under Dictate and select Transcribe. Hi, my name is Mitch and today I am testing to see how the transcription feature in Microsoft Word works. I'm checking to see how well it transcribes my speech and to see what options it gives me to add the sound file and text to the document. I am also curious to see how and where the sound file is saved to. So that's now uploading. And there's my transcription. So reading over it quickly, it looks like everything was transcribed perfectly. What I'm going to do now is down the bottom we have 4 options of ways to add it to the document. We can add just the text, with the speaker, with the timestamps, or with speakers and timestamps. There's only one speaker in today's transcription, which is me, so I'm going to be known as speaker 1. You can change the speaker's name up here, so I'm going to do that. Cool. And now let's add that to our document. I'm going to add it with the speaker and timestamps. The transcription is now added, including a link to the audio file.